Good morning, Year 5, and welcome to Friday. First Friday of our second batch of lockdown lessons, and as you can see, I am in school today. However, it is a considerably quieter classroom without you guys in it, which is a bit of a shame, really, and it's very strange being in here. We're going to start off today with our morning fluency, as always, so I will share the screen with you. If you follow the link at the bottom of the description, you should be able to get some of that music in the background as well. And pause the video, work through those questions, and then when you are ready to move on, play it again and I'll go through that targeted question from each section. So pause the video now and work through those questions. Okay, so let's have a look at our targeted questions today. So for adding, I've gone for 3,817 plus 927. So let me try and set it up right. We have got 7 add 7, which is 14, sorry. So we've got the 4 in the ones column and the 10 is going to have to come underneath so that we can exchange it. Then we've got 1 10 plus 2 10s plus our exchanged 10, which gives me 4 once again. 8 plus 9 is 17, so I'm going to put my 7 in here, and we're going to carry another 1. It's much easier to be writing this, I have to admit. And then 3,000s plus 0,000s plus 1,000 gives me 4,000. So my answer ends up being 4,744. Hopefully you guys all got that. Subtraction, I've gone for 5,492 take away 1,827. I cannot do 2 take away 7, so I'm going to need to borrow from the 10s, and I'm going to draw an 8 there. There we go. So 12 take away 7 is, of course, 5. 8 take away 2 is 6. Let's get it in the right order, shall we? 5 there, 6 there. 4 take away 8 I can't do, so I'm going to need to borrow from the thousands. I'm going to borrow 1,000, exchange that for 10 hundreds. 14 take away 8 is 6 again. And then finally, 4,000s take away 1,000 leaves me with 3,000s. So my answer is 3,665. We have gone for a multiplication question that using some of the skills that you will have learnt on Wednesday. So hopefully you've been able to have a go with this. 2 1s times 4 1s is 8 1s. And then I know that 8 times 4 is 32, which means that 8 10s times 4 is going to be 32 10s, which is going to look like this. So we should have 328. And finally, I'm going to do this last one mentally. I know that 6 divided by 3 is 2, so 60 divided by 3 must be 20. Using those multiplication and division facts that we've got for our lower numbers so that we can apply them to bigger numbers that are multiples of 10. We also had sequences to complete. So the first thing that we need to do when we're trying to complete a sequence is work out what it's going up or down in. Now here at the start, we don't have anything for letter A. So I'm going to have to look over here. 84 to 91. 84 plus 6 gets you to 90, plus 1 more gets you to 91. We're adding 7. I'm going to check again. 91 add 7 is 98. So I can assume that the rule is add 7. Now, when I'm working the other way, I need to use the inverse, which is take away. So 84 take away 7 is 77. 77 take away 7 is 70. I'll double check that the other way around. 70 plus 7 is 77. 77 plus 7 is 84, and so on. So I've got that worked out. This one, we've only got 2 numbers that are next to each other. So that's what I'm going to have to use to check to see what the rule is. 425 to 450, I have to add 25. So 375 add 25 is 400. 450 add 25 is 475. And I'll go back and check through to see. And I can see that they all go up by 25 each time. Hopefully you managed to get all them, and hopefully that has helped you to get your brain ready for a day of learning.